Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talk about how to count occurrence of an array element and rotation of an array. So while writing code will be easy to you to understand the concept of occurrence and count array. So let's start coding.
We are here to create an array. So let's create an array so we can count the occurrence of array element. Okay, we are counting the how many element are occurring to one to more time. Suppose I take an 11 12 and 12 two times I am writing here, and 13 and 14 and 15. Let's suppose 15 are two times. Okay, so we have to count the occurrence of elements. Suppose target I'm giving to count the value how many comes. Let's suppose 12. Okay, so we'll require here to make a methods to count the occurrence of elements. So I am going to return here something that will occur one to more time. Okay, so giving name occurrence element and int arr and target. Okay, target is the element which one is occurring one to more time. Okay, so how we can count the element? Suppose the occurrence is initially is 0 of initially is 0, so a count variable name assigned to 0, and I want to count. For that we will require here to for traverse the whole array index. For that I will use here int num and r means number of element of array. So let's if number means element of array is equal to target. Keep in mind, if equal to target means array of element is equal to target, so means number is matched. If many time is number matching, then we'll have to count how many time is matching. If it is one time matching, then it's a one time, means number of occurrence is one, means one timing element exists in the array. If it is comes to two times, then count it will become two. So you can know the what is the occurrence of the array. So here the count variable will get plus plus all the time when it's meet the target, means when it matches the number of element an array. So I will count the array of element occurrence. So this code has been done and will return here the count how many time it is returning. Okay, so let's call this method and see the occurrence of element and pass the array, and occurrence of array and pass the array, and something should not to be mistake here. Occurrence occurrence occurrence. Okay, I given variable name, whatever variable name you can give here. So target has to pass one more target variable. Now it is right, and let's print the occurrence time of array element. Println occurrence have to print. Okay, whatever variable name you can give here, I just given the occurrence of element in array. So let's print it and see how it is working. Yeah, you can see here the 2 times 12 is exist in array, so it is printing the 2 times. Suppose you want to check 15. Okay, 15, so it will return 2 times, it also returning 2. Okay, I hope you will get understood. Let's suppose I am writing here 11. It should return one time because it is only one time exist in the array. Yeah, it is returning here one time. I hope you will get to understand how to check the occurrence element of an array and how many time it is exist in the array. So let's understand the rotation of array. So what is the rotation of array? There are two types of rotation in an array. First one is left rotation and the right rotation. So I will here talk about only the left rotation in this video, and let's understand. Let's make a method static and void. I am writing a method, void type method I'm taking here. So left rotation and pass this some argument, array. Okay, array, I pass here array. And what is the left rotation we'll have to understand first, then you can rotate the area of element. Means left rotation means each element is shifted to the left. Okay, each element shifted to the left means element that go out on the left come back to the end. Okay, the left element that will go that will come back to end. Okay, so means that exist a left element, whatever left means one position of all the element will shift to the left from the beginning. Okay, so all the right side element will shift one index place one by one in sequencing order. So first element will go in the end of the array. So let's see how it is working and how to we can implement it. So what we'll have to do, firstly int first variable I'll create here 0. Okay, so right here the for loop here int I 0 and arr dot length, and have to index. Okay, I am playing here with the index, so will require here the length of last index and then I plus plus. Why we require here the for loop to left rotation? Because we have to go from the all the index and shift to the at the initial to at the second at the initial to the last one. So initial value will get shipped in the last one. Okay, so we'll have to write here arr I and fast the arr I plus 1 means the initial index shift to second index. At the initial point will shift all the second element and third element so on, and the first element will go at the end. That is called the left rotation. I hope you will be understanding. Let's write the code arr, the last one what will be arr dot length minus 1 and assign to it the first one. Okay, the first one whatever will be will come at the end. Add end index, how you will know the arr dot length minus 1 means this is the last index position. Okay, so here you can shift the first one. This will become the left rotation. So let's print the value of all the array, then it will rotate the left in rotation. So here we'll have to require for loop. For each loop I am applying here int I arr and had to write the system dot out dot println and I. Okay, so this will print the all the occurrence, all the left rotation. Will require here to call the left rotation left rotation arr past here, and let's run it, and then it will become very easy to you to understand the concept of left rotation. Let's change the element of an array, that will be easy to you to understand, because here is the repeated number, so it will become harder to you. 3 4 5, let's keep in 5 element only and run it. Yeah, you can see here the 2 3 4 5, the initial index element go on the till or on the end of the element. So end element go the initial index, so this is the left, and all those middle element comes at the from the initial to the end, and end will become the first one element. So this is called the left rotation. I hope you will get understood.